Hello, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle of today in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday, October the 21st, 2022. In this edition, I have already solved three puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and binary. And it's time now for the last puzzle of today. Yes, the Tectonic with 4 stars. Number 5365. 5365. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. Should be an easy one, but I do not know. We will see if this is an easy one. But for a 4-star puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. We will see if this is really a 4 stars. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box. Single box always a 1. Here 1, there 1. Do we have dual boxes in this puzzle? Here a dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. More dual boxes here? Nope. Triple boxes then. Do we have triple boxes here? Let me scan. Nope. Triple boxes. Quadra boxes then. Let me scan. Nope. Oh, well, we have here a quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and 4. Well, the 1 and 3 are filled in, so 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 4. Do not know in which order, need more information. No quadra boxes. That means the next strategy is to recognize some shapes, figures, structures, or constructions. For example, let me see here, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Alright, do we have more of this kind of shape here? Upside down. So this box has the same name as that box. Do we have more? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Okay. So this box has the same name as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shapes here? Rotated. So this box has the same name as that box. In this case, it's the 1 or a 2. Here another one. Rotated again. This box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. Alright. Do we have more? No. We have 3 of them. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 2. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shape, figure, or structures, constructions? Here another one, mirrored. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? Let me see. No, only 2 of them. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3 out of 6, maximum of 6 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, you need to only recognize 3 of them. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes, figures or structures, well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These are 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These are 3 boxes. Oh wait, these are 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These are 3 boxes surround the 4, can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box give me 2 anymore, that box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes are left in this area for numbers 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Well, I think it's not a 1. If I place a 1 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1, but we already have a 1 there. So it should be a 5, and this box should be a 1 in this area. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here in this area. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Then, let me see. Thinking. Come on. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. 5. Well, this box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, then I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 1. Is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 1 digit left in this double box for the number 2. Alright. Yeah. Well, this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can't be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Okay, so 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Well, I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. Alright. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 4 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright. Okay. Then. Complicated. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. If I place the 1 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. But we already have a 1 here. So it's not a solution, place the 1 there. The 1's supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be a 5. Those 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. I should be here. Then, well, these are 3 boxes. Surround the 1 can be a 1. This box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. Then. Let me see. Come on. 4. Come on. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Need a 3 here. 5. This box, yeah. This box can be a 5 because we have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Same for the 4. I cannot place the 4 here because we have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 goes together with the 5 as a pair. 4 and a 5. So 1 digit left in this area for the number 3. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. And I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes at there. And I've eliminated the 5. So the 5 goes here. Alright. Then. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Well. Now we have a 5 there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 here. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. This box can be a 5. This box can be a 2. So the 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and 5. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. Then. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be here. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. The 5 goes there. Then 2, 3, 4, 1 and a 5. Well. 1, 3, 5, the 4. Well. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 3. 4 and 3. Let me mark those. 4 and 3. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be here. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Well, need to mark them again. 2 and 4. Then. Let me see. 2. Come on. 1, 2, 4, 3, and the 5. Well, this box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be and there. I need a 3 here. This. Well. 4. Well, 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Well, I'm thinking. Come on. 2, 4, 5, and the 1. Need a 1 here. Come on, 2 and 4. Ah, overlook this 4. We have a 4 here. I've marked those two boxes with a 4 and a 5. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. This box can be a 2, that box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. These two boxes can be 2, that box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers, 3 and 4. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. The only place left for 4 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes here. 1 box left in this W area shape for number 3. These two boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 4. Final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Wow! Told you. It's not a 4 stars. Not the 3 stars. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again tomorrow. Yeah, not later on. No. Tomorrow. Yeah, it's weekend, tomorrow on Saturday. Until then, bye-bye for now. And have a great and fantastic Friday.